Hey, Keto fam, are you sick of boring cheese sticks and dried chicken? Well, these 5 insane air fryer snacks are all under 5 grams of carbs each, and they're ready in just minutes. Number 5 is seriously addictive, so you have to stay until the end. I get it. Most keto snacks either take forever to make or they taste like you're chewing on cardboard. But today, we are fixing that with these air fryer game changers. Seriously, these recipes are going to change your keto life. So go ahead, grab your air fryer, and let's get cooking.
All right, let's dive into recipe number 1, garlic Parmesan zucchini chips. These are only 3 grams of carbs. First, grab 1 zucchini and slice it about a 1/4 inch thin. You don't want them too thick or too thin. Now, give them a good spray with some olive oil. Next, we're going to sprinkle on a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, some garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. Don't be shy with the seasonings. Now, into the air fryer they go at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. The key here is to flip them halfway through to get them perfectly even. And look at that. Pull them out and you have crispy perfection. You can hear that crunch. And the best part? The whole batch is only 120 calories and just 3 grams of net carbs. So good! Next up, recipe number 2, pizza cheese crisps. And get this, they're only 1 gram of carbs. This is almost too easy. You just take a few slices of cheddar cheese and place them on a piece of parchment paper in your air fryer basket. That's it. Set your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. And that is literally all you have to do. When they come out, they're these crispy, bubbly little discs of joy. I love dipping them in some Rails marinara sauce. It's like having pizza without any of the carbs or the guilt. A total win. Recipe number 3, bacon jalapeno poppers. These are just 2 grams of carbs and they are a flavor explosion. So you'll want to have your jalapenos and scoop out the seeds. Stuff them full of cream cheese. Now for the best part. Wrap each one in a slice of bacon. The bacon holds everything together, so you don't even need a toothpick. Pop them in the air fryer at 375 degrees for about 10 minutes or until that bacon is nice and crispy. Take a bite. Oh my gosh, spicy heaven. These are the perfect game day snack or appetizer for any party. Recipe number 4, for all my sweet tooth friends, chocolate fat bombs. You won't believe this, but these have 0 grams of carbs. In a small bowl, you're going to mix 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of softened butter, a little bit of stevia to taste, and a sprinkle of unsweetened chocolate chips. Mix it all together until it forms a little dough ball. Then, into the air fryer at 350 degrees for just 5 minutes. That's all it takes. When it comes out, it's this warm, gooey, chocolatey little treat that kills your sugar cravings instantly. You have to try this. And finally, recipe number 5, the one you've been waiting for, the upgraded pork rinds. 0 grams of carbs for this one too. This is more of a hack than a recipe, and it is so addictive. Just take your favorite bag of store-bought pork rinds, give them a light spray with olive oil or avocado oil, and then sprinkle them generously with everything bagel seasoning. Then pop them in the air fryer at 300 degrees for only 3 minutes. It makes them 10 times crispier and the flavor is unbelievable. Seriously, I have to give you an addiction warning on this one. They are that good. So, which one of these snacks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because tomorrow we're making some amazing keto dinners you won't want to miss. All the macros and full recipes are in the description box for you. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you back in the air fryer kitchen.